but it's an eyeliner, and we can never go wrong with eyeliners, right? Because eyeliners and mascaras rule the world. Hello again, beautiful friend. I'm Jess. Welcome back to my channel where I do mostly subscription box bag reviews, plus size hauls, all the good stuff. And today we are back again with some subscription boxes. And I say boxes with an S because we have multiple. Yes, it's a double whammy. We have Walmart Beauty Box and Earfleek. Let's start with Walmart Beauty Box. So they are a seasonal subscription. This is the longest running subscription box that I have had. I've had it since like 2015 or 16, something like that. This one comes with cosmetics, samples, randomness that Walmart puts in here, but I absolutely love it. It used to be $5 a season, which is super cheap. That's like basically the shipping cost, but they did just go up on their cost, which not much. It's like $7 and some change, I think. I don't know, somewhere around there, but still love it because they also come with some products that you know for sure cost more than $7. And also I've gotten many products in there that I ended up constantly using for a long time after that. So that's what they do it for. That's the reason why, because they know they get us hooked, girl. Okay, anyway, so that's box number one. Our loyal subscriber today, her name is Rita. Thank you so much, Rita. You're amazing. I love that you're a part of my channel. And if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all the good stuff, because you know it does help me out a lot and it keeps me going. Let's get into it. Here is our first look. So it comes with this little pamphlet, which does not always happen. So let's see what this says. Beauty for all. Oh, cute. They started doing what all the other subscription boxes do. They are gonna go over all of the products that are gonna be in my box and give me the cost of the full size. So that's awesome. Really like that, Walmart. And that's what it looks like. First product I'm pulling out here, I cannot tell you how excited I am about this because we go through these bad boys at our house like crazy and they are expensive. So this is the Liquid IV. We absolutely love them. You add them to your water. The hydration multiplier is supposed to be like something where like if you like 1 glass of water turns into 3 by putting one of these in there. I don't really know how it works, but anyways, doesn't matter. It's electrolytes. This one is in golden cherry. So this one, of course, is just one package, which is one drink. The full size is a 6 count and it's $8.98 for 6 of them. So product number one. Product number two, this is the Real Techniques sponge. It's a blend and mattify beauty blender, of course. It's called the Miracle Air Blend Sponge. Antimicrobial. Here it is. There we go. It says evenly blend for full natural coverage without extra shine. Use damp or dry. Okay, and it's actually not on this little pamphlet, but there is like a little question mark thing down here that says, don't see your product here? Your box may include an extra surprise. So that must be my extra surprise. Product number two. Product number three, this is the, I don't know how you pronounce that brand. BLKOPL? Black Opal? I don't know what they're going for there. Precision Eye Definer Crayon. Okay, so we've got an eyeliner, of course. Y'all, it's not on here either. What the heck is going on here? So I can't tell you the cost of this one because it's also not on here. But it's an eyeliner, and we can never go wrong with eyeliners, right? Because eyeliners and mascaras rule the world. Product number three. Product number four, this is a sample, of course. This is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Pure Hyaluronic Acid. So this L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Derm Extensive Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Full size is the 1 ounce. 1 ounce is full size. Wow, okay. Anyways, which is really 30 milliliters. So that is kind of a lot, actually. So 1 ounce, that's $23.58. So there you go. Product number 4. Product number 5. This is a teeny tiny little baby. This is the Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink. Still have no clue what it is. I'm sure it's like a lip gloss or something. The color is called Pioneer Liquid Lipstick. The full size is 0.17 fluid ounces and it's $7.98. So check out that color. Looks very bright red. I have lipstick on already, so I'm not gonna try this one on for you. But anyway, so there is Maybelline. Awesome. Okay, product number 5. Product 6 and 7 came in a bag together. I'm assuming because they will leak. They might have had that issue. So I've got 2 more products here, 6 and 7. Let's start with this lady. This is the Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Foaming Cleanser for Sensitive Skin. That's awesome. Cannot get enough of cleansers and stuff like that. So, and this is a pretty good size too. Guess what it says? It says nothing because this is also not on my product list. What the heck do I even have this for? Okay, anyway, so Bliss Rose Gold Rescue. So I'm pretty excited actually to try this one out, but that's just a cleanser and the size is 60 milliliters, 2 ounces. The last product, product number 7, this is Find Your Happy Place Under the Starlit Sky Hand Sanitizer. Okay, eliminates 99.9% of germs and it's chamomile and sandalwood. I bet that smells really good. Yep, it does. Very warm scent. And that's kind of a big hand sanitizer too, or sizable sample. This one is in 2 fluid ounces, so 60 milliliters again. The Find Your Happy Place hand sanitizer is $3.97 for the 2 ounces. So this one is $3.97. So that's $4 alone. So let's see if I could do the thing where I hold everything up for you so you can see what I actually got. Okay. There we go. I held everything up. Did it. I don't know what the total value of this box is, but it's more than $7, that's for sure. So I got some awesome products here. May or may not be putting some in the giveaway box because you guys know I keep a giveaway box for you guys. The beauty blender probably will go in there, maybe even the lipstick, I'm not sure. But all the other products I know for a fact I'm gonna be using, so you don't get those, but whatever. So what do you think about that Walmart beauty box? So of course you know that is just box number 1 because I do have the second subscription that we're gonna go over is Earfleek. Earfleek is an earring subscription. They used to be $3.49 a piece. Every month they would send it to you, but they just did some revamping to their products where I got this email saying that I was gonna get 3. You see there's only 2 here, so I don't know what that's all about. So they said that basically what we have to do here is send you 3 pair at once, charge you for the 3 pair because shipping is getting so expensive, which we all know is true. I think it was supposed to be for 3 of them. So Earfleek, what the heck happened? Maybe I'll receive it in a month because that's how the mail goes these days. But anyways, these are both just earrings. I really do like Earfleek. I have been getting Earfleek earrings for about a year now. They come in these cute little mailers. And they always have a little thing in there that says that they're US $15 worth or $15.99 or something, which is kind of cuckoo because I wouldn't pay $15 for them, but whatever. So they just started coming out with where they give you a little picture of the earrings. So that's what they look like. They're cute. Silver, of course. Of course, once again, it says $15.99 there. I know you might not be able to see it, but here they go. I am not going to try them on for you. I actually already see, like, I don't know, can you see that? Where it's like not cute. It's kind of like rubbed off. I don't know what, like the color or something has rubbed off. It's like scraped off or something. So Anyways, I probably would still wear them just because they are cute little earrings, but anyways, I don't think they're my favorite that I've ever gotten from Earfleek, so it is what it is, but there you go. Product number 1 from Earfleek. Let's see what product number 2 looks like. Okay, let's see. Oh, these are cute. Gold, of course, you know, is my favorite. Those would go really good with that chain that I got in the single swag box that I will link right here. It also says $15.99. What a coincidence. There they go. Yes, they're tied together right now with a little plastic thingy, but cute, right? Those are really cute. Yeah, I like those a lot. So very cute, a little cute. No, they're cute. They're cute. Okay. Anyway, so 2 products there from Earfleek. So what'd you think? Which pair was actually your favorite? Go ahead, tell me down in the description. Tell me which product overall that I got in these Walmart box and Earfleek box was your favorite. If you have any questions on any of those subscriptions, just reach out. I am more than happy to help you. If I don't already know the answers, I will find them for you. Thank you so much for staying to the end of my video. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit all the good stuff. You're amazing. Can't wait to have you back next time. Love you.